What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another mukbang with me, Barton Fresh. You guys, today I've got Captain's Boil. If you guys are not familiar with Captain's Boil, it's very similar to the boiling crab chain in US. I think it's actually influenced by the boiling crab, but it's a small Canadian chain of seafood, like seafood boil. So this one here is the king crab. I got it with Cajun spice and medium heat, and I've also got mussels over here with the same Cajun spice and medium heat, and I've also got shrimp here exactly the same way, Cajun spice with medium heat, and I've got their Cajun fries. You guys, I'm so hungry. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and let's get all of this food in my belly right now. Okay, we got Diet Coke. We gotta always have the Diet Coke. Chill. Hey, like, I just woke up. All right, let's open this ketchup pack. I am so hungry. Let's open up and dip it in here. Okay, that's the mussel. I love mussels. This is my favorite creature in the sea. It's honestly the best one. I love mussels. That's awesome. That is really good. That's the shrimp. So a lot of people would suck out of the head. I personally don't like it. Giving you guys a heads up right now. I like the sauce. I should have asked for extra sauce. Wow. Look at the size of that mussel. It's huge. And delicious. That green crab was amazing. It's spicy. I got medium heat, so I wasn't expecting it to be this hot. Beautiful little creatures, taste so good. I have to get fries. People are gonna get so mad at me for not sucking out the brain of the shrimp. But yo, I don't know, I can't eat that. Like, I don't know, like it's not meat to eat like a brain. could be delicious, but like it's just the thought of it. It's kind of like weird to me. I'm so tempted to just eat the shell. That's a nice chunky one right there. I dip it in sauce. Oh yeah. That was the one. The sauce has like garlic in it. Cajun, obviously. What else? Yeah, peppers. I see peppers. Yeah. Oh wow. This one's gonna be great. This one is going to be amazing. I should just cut it. I'm not gonna break it. Wow. Yo, that's a good piece of king crab. That's what we're here for. That's the piece. That's the piece. Oh my god. Put them together, like with the fries. Oh, I was waiting for that. That's awesome. I just went and cleaned up because it was really saucy and I didn't have enough napkins. So they're using the Costco fries. I call them Costco fries because our Costco here sells these fries and they're amazing. Costco fries are fire. Like these fries have like a coating on them, like a breading on the potatoes. Oh. Those are my favorite frozen fries, and my second favorite frozen fries are the curly fries. The one that Arby's has and Jack in the Box. Those fries are amazing. They have like a slight like red color to it. It's so good. So guys, I want to quickly talk about a world issue that's going on right now. If you guys are listening to the news, you guys might know that there's a war going on right now with Armenia and Azerbaijan. And you might know or might not know, but I'm half Armenian. So technically, my country is in war. So if you guys are not aware of why there's a war going on, there's a piece of land right at the border of Azerbaijan and Armenia called Nagorno-Karabakh, or Armenians call it Artsakh. And Azerbaijan says it's theirs, Armenia says it's theirs, so that's where the clash comes in, and that's where the fighting comes in. And so I grew up knowing that that's part of Armenia, and I'm sure many, like every single Azerbaijani probably grew up knowing that that's Azerbaijan land. So that's why it's clashing. And I just gotta say, like, my prayers go out to the families that are affected by this. There are vulnerable families in between this fighting, and they're getting affected badly. Like, buildings are getting demolished. It's just bad. Like, families getting hurt. So prayers go out to the families that are getting affected by this. Nobody should witness such a thing, honestly, like a war. But yeah, if you guys didn't know, I'm half Armenian, so I'm sure a lot of you guys knew that. My name, Vartan, is a very, very Armenian name. Like, it's a super, super Armenian name. I don't know, like, I could give you an example, like, I don't know, I can't give you an example. Okay, like, Mario for Italian. You know, Mario or Luigi is a very Italian name, exactly the same way with Vartan for Armenians. Actually, Vartan, it's a heroic name because there was a hero, and so that's where the name came from. So yeah. Oh yeah. Look at my hands. This sauce is so good. My video got cut off halfway. I hope it didn't get cut off. Not right now. Like, the camera should not mess up right now because these hands are dirty. But I hope you guys all enjoy this. Stay safe, be well, be grateful where you are, because some parts of the world right now are in extreme crisis, and you gotta be grateful of what you have, where you are, and all that stuff. So we'll catch you guys on to the next one. We'll see you guys in a bit. Stay safe.